Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 6, the 9th lesson, Editing in the Visual Basic Editor. So step 1 says save the workbook. So save the macro enable workbook to My Projects folder. So click File, Save, let's go Save As, Browse. We need to make sure we put this in the My Projects folder. And make sure it says Excel Macro Enable Workbook. So save. Mark that as answered. Go to the next step. Enable the content. On the Developer tab in the Code group, so click on the Developer tab. In the Code group, click Macros. Then in the Macro dialog box, select Pie Chart and then Run. The macro inserts a pie chart and applies a color scheme and style. Isn't that cool? Select the chart if necessary. Then on the Chart Tools Design tab, Chart Design, we're going to click Move Chart. In the Move Chart dialog box, we're going to click New Sheet and then click OK. The chart is now moved to its own sheet. Mark that as answered. Select Sheet 1. On the Developer tab in the Code group, select Macros. Select Pie Chart, then click Options. That opens the Macros dialog box. Press Shift and the letter T. And that assigns the Control plus Shift plus T shortcut to the macro. Click in the description box and type Insert a Pie Chart. And then click OK. Mark that as answered. With the pie chart macro still selected in the list box, we're going to click Edit. And there went my instructions. That opens a Visual Basic Editor. You remember this from doing Word. Within the macro code, locate the command Active Chart, chart color equals 21. And we're going to change it so it reads Active Chart, chart color equals 12. So we're going to change this 21 to 12. The command changes the color scheme. Within the macro code, locate the command Active Chart, chart style equals 257, and we're going to change that to 258. The command changes the chart style. So mark that as answered. Press Control S. Control S. Then close the button to return to the Excel window. This button. So let's mark that as answered. And we're going to test our edited macro. We're going to type Control Shift and T, Control Shift and T. Look at there. That ran the edited macro. The macro inserts a pie chart and applies the new color scheme and chart style. So you see that one was completely different than the one that we did before. So submit that, submit results. And this completes editing in the Visual Basic Editor.